Everyone has seen an accent wall, but have you ever seen an accent ceiling like this? Yeah, and contractors are charging $10,000 for work just like this. But here's the secret, and it's not complicated. I'm just taking white oak plywood and breaking it down into manageable pieces. Then I use my template to trace the pattern onto the white oak. I then mark off for reference the areas that I'm going to remove, and I take my jigsaw out and I cut the excess. Kinda like this. Easy peasy. I mean, it's not brain surgery, it's just light carpentry. The only thing you want to make sure is to leave about 1/8 of an inch of material around the board. Then using double-sided tape, I'm going to take my template pattern made out of cast acrylic and I'm going to adhere it to the workpiece. Pretty simple and straightforward. Then using a flush trim bit, I'm just going to go around the material and cut it exactly. You see, this router bit is called a flush trim bit, and it's got a wheel bearing that rides along the template while the cutter head removes the material. And just like that, every single piece is identical. No guessing, no measuring angles, and no wasted material. I'm selling the exact template and step-by-step plans. So you can build this for yourself or start charging for it. And once I had every piece routed out, I wanted to lay the pattern out so I could get a visual. You know, that helps, especially for somebody like me who needs to see it. Once that was complete, I decided to do a finish coat so I could get that work done outside before taking them in. And I used 0 set time construction adhesive to adhere this to the ceiling. Now I did use 2-inch brad nails because I marked out where the floor joists were, so every time I could get a nail in, I did. At this point, it's just repeat and install. The pattern locks in exactly how it should. Yeah, this is the part where people begin to stop and stare. And before you know it, your neighbors and friends are going to be asking you, who did you hire to do this project? For years, everything was accent walls, but now the trend's moving to accent ceilings. You see, I used to do high-end trim work in multi-million dollar homes, and this is the exact type of detail they're doing now. But by now, I know you're asking yourself this: why are some of the pieces darker than the others? Well, some of the pieces are finished, and some of them are unfinished. I miscalculated how many I needed, so I needed to come back and make a bunch more. So in the end, I still needed to do a finish coat in the room, which was a major bummer, and it took a lot of prep work. But oh well. This thing is coming out so nice. I mean, who's complaining? And then I decided to take an extra little trim piece just to put it along the edges, to top it off, kind of like the cherry on top. This hides all the cut edges. I mean, wow, look at this. Stop looking at your walls and start looking up. Look at the value you can add to your ceilings. Would you DIY this?